Warning! Extreme happiness ahead. These cats are off the charts adorable. Some cats like to chill, but these kitties? They're bouncing, rolling, and purring with pure joy. Watch this little guy wiggle his tail. He's so happy, he can hardly sit still. And look at this fluffy friend, chasing a feather like it's the best day ever. Did you know a cat shows it's happy when it rolls on its back or purrs really loud? Next time you see a cat do the zoomies, you'll know. That's one super happy kitty. Want more adorable cats? Don't forget to like and subscribe so you never miss the fun.